Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can transfer PDF files from your phone or any other iOS Android device to your Amazon tablet. So in the first step we have to open a web browser on the tablet and look for the Send Anywhere app. I'm using the APK Pure site for that, so in this site just click on the download APK icon and choose your web browser. Now just install it on your phone or the tablet or anything. If you have the Android, of course use the Google Play. If you have the iOS device, use the App Store, of course. Okay, I previously installed that one, so we can just open the Send Anywhere app. And now just click on your phone, the three-dot icon, and choose iCloud Drive. Now here you can see there we have a files, so we can choose all the PDF and tap on the open. Now it's ready to send, so click the send icon and choose the receive on the tablet. Type the code and click receive, and whole process starting automatically, and now we are transferring the PDF files from the phone to the tablet. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.